Before you open that website again, give me 3 minutes. Just 3. Because what I'm about to tell you might be the reason you stop forever. You think this sin is private. No one sees you. You close the door, turn off the lights, and open your phone. But you forgot something. Allah sees everything. Porn addiction survives on one lie. No one knows. But the one who created you sees. The Quran asks a terrifying question. Does he not know that Allah sees? And every second you watch, angels are writing. Your book of deeds is being filled right now. Let me ask you something most people addicted to porn never think about. What if death comes while you're watching it? Heart attack, car accident, stroke, sudden death. The last thing you saw, the last thing recorded, the last thing written in your book would be that moment. Imagine waking up in your grave and the angels ask, what did you do with your life? Your book opens and pages of your life appear. Prayers, good deeds, charity, but also, night after night, the same sin, over and over and over again. Pornography is not just a sin. It is a trap for the soul. It attacks your eyes, your heart, your discipline. And slowly, it becomes normal. But what pornography does to your brain and to your iman is even worse. Before I explain that, over 90% of people watching are not subscribed. If you want real Islamic reminders that wake you up, subscribe now, because the next part, most people never hear. The Prophet taught that when a person sins, a black dot appears on the heart. One sin, one dot. But addiction repeats the same sin. Night after night, eventually, the heart becomes dark. And when the heart becomes dark, sins stop feeling like sins. No one becomes addicted on the first video. It starts small, one video. Then tomorrow, one more. Then next week, it becomes a habit, then a secret, then an addiction, and then something terrifying happens. You start planning your sin. Shaitan whispers, relax, you'll quit tomorrow. But tomorrow becomes next week. Next week becomes next year, and the addiction stays. Shaitan's favorite word is later. Your phone can either be a door to Jannah or a door to sin. You choose every night, every click, every second. The question is not if that day will come. The question is, what will your book say?